Hello, good day everyone. This is Len with Agogo. Today, I am very keen on bringing to you best practice in the area of project management. So, whenever I do my personal research, I try as much as I can to bring to this community. It is just my way of giving back to society. And without much ado, I would like to introduce us to what I have done on this training section today. As I will always advise on my YouTube channel when I do this training, when I do this training, there is continual variation in information. So I do advise that any person viewing my sections, my training videos, should do well to do their own personal research and develop on what I have taught on these various sections. On today's training, we'll be looking at using data existing data set from Kaggle platform. So I've got here already open the Kaggle platform. If you are new to analyzing of data in projects, or you are new in the making use of analysis of data sets for those that are in the project management a project management field. So I just want to introduce you to Kaggle. You can make use of it on your own time to practice diverse data set to improve on your knowledge in data analysis and other aspects. So I have opened on here construction project management data set. As you can see, it is an open source data set that you can use to train on. So the easier way to find out is on the licensing section. If you click on there, you will see what is written regarding this very data. But if you want to go and look for different data sets, you can click on the data set section of your Kaggle. So I don't want to go deep on that aspect on how to set it up. It's just if you've got a Google account, you can link it with your Kaggle platform and be able to access diverse data as well as upload your own data and finish data that you have created. You can also learn some related means of data analysis and all that using the same platform. But today we'll be looking at this very data that I've opened on here. Let me just quickly click back so I can go back to this very data. It is a construction project management data, and the data set has captured 1,300 key performance and planning variables from a large scale infrastructure construction project. So with this you can have a direct hands-on practice on what to expect in diverse projects. Okay, so I am using Databricks. It's a very robust platform that you can use to analyze projects. On the same Databricks you can make use of SQL, Python, as it might apply in your own case if you want to make use of SQL or Python and the likes. Okay, if you go to my previous video, you can see that I have done a related training on the use of Databricks. Please refer to that very video. But on this one, I just want to show you what I have completed on this one. So this is the dashboard that I have created from this very data set by downloading this data set and uploading it into the Kaggle. You can also do that for your own personal practice. So at the end of it, I was able to generate the total project material cost, and I did got the risk level distribution, and I've got the tax cost in terms of the most valued tags, so the material in terms of materials and other attributes. So this is the most expensive one, so I've got 7 of them ranked here. And on here I've got complexity index versus the cost in GBP, that is Great Britain pounds. Okay, so the data set came as a USD, so I had to convert it into GBP, that is Great Britain pounds. So you can see on here I've got a 2x2 matrix of complexity versus risk, which visualize site conjunctions, okay, using SQL. So if I click on, just have a touch on here, you can see that it is telling me the level of exposure, the site category, which is low site constraint, and tax count, that is about 600, that falls under this category. And you can see on here you've got your financial exposure, site category is low site category constraint, low site constraint. And if you click on here, you can see the value of exposure if should anything happen on that very section. And you can see high site constraint, the level of effect it will have on the project, and you can see the task count. Okay, and on here you can see the financial exposure level, which is 5.6 million, and the site category is high site constraint, and the task cost count is 121. So this is just a brief of what I have done. So if you click on this data section, you will see my various analyses that I have done for this very dashboard, to present this very dashboard. Okay, so I just want to run through this so you can appreciate the use of Databricks for your diverse project. Please do well to have a look at that very platform for the analysis of your data, because it is really a very robust platform that you can really use to improve on your analysis knowledge and be able to bring to bear intelligent information on dataset, where your stakeholder can make guided decisions on projects in terms of avoiding delay, reducing unnecessary wastage and all that. Okay, so this is what I just want to walk you through on this one today. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel.